Hey, we're at the Norman Rockwell Museum. Here's the terrace work. Last time we were here, they had the concrete formed up, and now you can see the concrete subbase is poured. And this has got the epoxy coated steel in it, and the heat melt system is now built into this. It was orange piping you saw before. The granite has been delivered from William Stone out in Blandford, and this is the we're waiting for the masons to come on site, and they'll be installing the granite, which is a very intricate, we call it a Norman Rockwell ashlar finish, and it's got fairly large pavers in squares and rectangles, and then they have interesting little key feature that keys it all in. Very traditional. And looking this way, the orange line are we cut in the expansion joints. These little white cells are paving cells to wick the pavement. And this is the expanded new terrace. Here's the existing seat walls. We're going to replace those tops. And then here's the center line that we've center lined the new walkway. That's off the center of the museum, and this leads down to the parking lot. And that's the sub base for the feature pavement, which is an oil and stone asphalt.
Okej, det kör ni väl? Det kör ni där. Ja, så ska det vara det.